Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, my real money. And we are joined by investors and traders from around the world every day who share equally their positions with you. This is my actual money. If it goes to zero, that's it. Other than £2,000 in the bank, and that literally is it. This is all I have, and as you can see, we are down and down and down. All we're doing is constantly buying the dips. It's the best and the worst time, one of the best and worst times ever in history to enter the market. I came into the market a year ago as everything was rising up after the initial COVID flash we had. And that's probably the worst time, but also the best time, because I learned what it feels like to lose and the markets go down and down and down when they're up. So what do? I keep finding new bottoms and holding and holding and holding. Going live 10 hours a day on YouTube, earning as much money as I can. This is my full-time job. This is all I do, and put everything into YouTube. And I don't earn that much money. I'm a new YouTuber, and I'm only live because of my members going supporting me. But I'm putting everything in. I keep buying the dips of great companies, the best companies, the most innovative companies, and we are holding on. It's painful, it's difficult, it's frustrating, but we are here with a positive message every day, because we know at some point things will turn up. Now, if you're a doom and gloom person and you think the end of the world's coming, and you may be right, the environment's a disaster, inflation is terrible, World War III around the corner, you name it, whatever is your opinion, if you believe that is the way the world's going, it makes no difference whether you invest or keep your money under the bed, because it'll all come to nothing anyway. So if we believe, though, that the world isn't going to come to an end and there's a reason to get out of bed every day and be positive and keep pushing and keep working and keep being committed to a good future, then you might as well invest, because at the end of the day, if and when and we hope soon the markets pick up, you'll be in and you will get the best out of it. So there we go. Let's get straight into our live trades. Here we are right now. Photronics, we bought this yesterday. Huge drop, 24% drop, and I am down just 1.5% now. What a great position to be in. You know, great company that's going to fix the future. We need chips, we need semiconductors. And just as I spoke to you then, the next bit of news couldn't have broken better. Look at Virgin Orbit. Look at that. Couldn't have gone better. Virgin Orbit. I doubled my position. I just did a breaking news item all about it just some few moments ago. Please subscribe and ring the bell. We've got great news with Virgin Orbit. This company is going to do great. Right now, you were given a gift this morning because there's not a lot of volatility, not a lot of noise around Virgin Orbit. The Redditors aren't all over it. It's not being shorted. Not a great deal of attention. So it dropped down this morning. People have taken profits. And as you can see, Virgin Orbit today was presented with a gift. I always said publicly on my show I would buy it when it went down to 325. Well, it got down to 329. And I thought that's close enough. I'm not a chart reader. I don't care what charts say. They simply predict very well, in fact, the past, but they do a rubbish job at predicting the future. For me, 329 was pretty much as close to my target as I needed it to be. At the end of the day, I'm not buying a stock for 4 cents. I'm buying it to 4x, to go up 400%, at least 100%. And this has a price target of $12 to $16. So there you go. Jobs report tomorrow should save us. Church of Logic, great to have you here. You've been quite a celebrity today, Church. All over the channel, people sending me comments, people leaving comments, getting private messages about your honesty, openness, people learning from you, people feeling inspired by you, people feeling that it was great to watch your live open expression on the channel. Great. Awesome. Positivity always. Even in bad times, you can learn. Even in bad times, you can get benefits. Always, always, always learn from the most painful times. Virgin Orbit today presented me with an opportunity and I doubled up 854 shares. This stock can be worth at least $10. It can make more money than Virgin Galactic. They share some of the same resources, but this has a potential to make more money than Virgin Galactic with its military benefits and so on and so forth, security, and we know that is going to be more needed in the future. So I saw the opportunity of this stock. Now, let's remind ourselves where this stock has been. It's been up to $5.28 recently, very recently. Look at it. It's been up to 7, 8, 10. Now, this price here isn't relevant because this is when it first came out, when it merged. So I'm not really bothered about the fact it was 10 here. What I am bothered about is it was around $4 and $5 just recently. So, you know, to buy it at $3.29 to me seems a bargain. All right, and as I'm speaking to you, it's going up quickly. Hey, hey, just tuned in. Have you bought more? Yes, I doubled. I just put a video out about it. If you missed it, it's a breaking news and the reason why I did it. So, Seb Dean, I suggest what you do if you want that information. Pop out of the show, come back in. Here is the video you want to watch. Just put it out, all right? Here it is, just some moments ago, why I bought back in, the information, exactly why I doubled up. Here is the video. I'll give you it. It's only a couple of minutes. Go and watch it. Everybody go and watch it. Leave a comment. Not only will you learn something, you'll know why I bought it, but also it'll promote the stock and other people will learn. So when you buy in, you will realize why I bought in, okay? So there you go. There is the video. Seb Dean, go and watch it and come straight back to me, okay? Brilliant. And it's pumping now. I shouldn't use that word. I've got to stop using that word because it's ridiculous. It's not pumping, but it is going up. Very, very excited. I can't believe can't believe I finally got the stock for a gift. 342. I've now got 854 shares. Amazing. Let's go through some of these comments. Hey everyone, says Bill. Over there on Twitch, Tom is here. CMV Studios. How are you, Tom? Great to have you here. Jobs report should save us tomorrow. However, at the end of the year will be a bloodbath for layoffs. Yes. Wow, thanks. You are very welcome. It was very well received. Check Cash App. Can you confirm it's arrived? Cash App. I will look at that now. Thank you, Tom. Let me have a look. Cash App. I have something here. Let me have a look. I have a notification. What do I have here? Nothing in there. What am I looking at, Tom? I don't see any information from you, Tom. Ah, yes. There we go. Tom Smith. There you go, Tom. Well, that's very kind of you. You sent me the exact amount. You could have got a $1.61 discount. Very, very kind of you. Appreciate that very much indeed. Tom has now sponsored this Sunday, and we've already got that's the newsletter, everybody. And then we've also got Caden who's already paid today for the following Sunday. Anyway, that's great. I will get to work. Look at Virgin Orbit. Everybody, I brought you the news as quickly as I could. Hi, everyone. Crag is here. We just got another follower over on Twitch. Attorney General announces massive lawsuit against Michael Saylor for tax fraud, alleged that he never paid any taxes for over a decade. He will have to sell his remaining Bitcoin to pay his fines. Well, let's remember, it's not Michael Saylor's Bitcoin. I don't know if Michael Saylor has his own personal Bitcoin, but it's MicroStrategy's Bitcoin. So we need to look more into that. I can't believe Virgin Orbit. Finally, something's gone well for me. Something's gone well. Please carry on. Carry on going. Carry on going. I'd like to feel it's because I put a great video out. Private sector job growth slows to just 132,000 positions added in August. New ADP report. Thank you very much indeed for that information. Hello everyone, says Dexter. What we buying? Just tuned in. Craig, I have just doubled my Virgin Orbit position. I want to buy more, but I'm almost all in with everything else. I know, I get it. Seb Dean, I'm right with you. Mark, how are you? I'm here too. We've got a lot of people now coming in. Church, the August number is far below economists' expectations. 225,000 positions added. Thank you for that. William Wallace, hi all. Did you see the poster on Discord? Not yet, Tom. ADP also said annual pay rose by 7.6%. The first time its report as tracked pay, which it will encompass growth earnings inclusive of tips, commissions, and bonus. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit. Oh my gosh. There we go. I made the news as quickly as I could. Buying some now, Craig. Virgin Orbit. There we go. It's being given away. I will share the news with everyone. Now, listen, if you want the stock to go up, if you want this stock to continue going up, right, there's a massive opportunity right now. Please, please, please do go and watch the Virgin Orbit video I just put out some moments ago. Here it is. Leave a comment. Leave a comment. Let it run in the background as you got me here live anyway. Leave it in the background, but leave a comment below the video. Watch it all the way through. This could go viral today. Let's promote this video, Virgin Orbit. Here it is in the video, in the chat right now. I've got a cool, there you go, a cool thumbnail. Look, there's the Virgin Orbit. You can't quite see it off the screen, but anyway, you get the idea. Anyway, go and check it out. Leave a comment. I'll check and see who's commented in the back in a minute, and I'll name and shame and make sure that everybody did it. Oh, I knew it was good. Oh, and Photronics as well. Innovative stocks will save the day. You've got to stay in the market. You've got to stay in the market. This is it right now. Jobs report is helping. Buying some now. Crag is buying some now. This stock, so I will tell you right now, for those of you that are watching and you've not watched that news item, you need to go and watch it. Virgin, let me go over to a minute. Let me share with you. This is such breaking news. I need to bring it to you, everybody. First of all, Virgin Orbit's first night launch a success. UK mission is next. I know I'm going to be there. 15th of October, I'm going to be in Cornwall. I'm going to be at the Virgin Orbit space station. So you can be there with me in the making of the Virgin Orbit film if you want to be involved. It's $50 in the super chat, £50 in the super chat. And we have a special offer today. If you are able to come to Cornwall in England, and this only is for the next 45 minutes, and that is it. Because it's the last day, today of our month, the 31st of August, our analytics closes at midnight tonight. If you do a super chat for $40 or £40, a 25% discount right now, you can come to the party in England on the 15th of October in Cornwall. That's the party on the beach and the party in the evening. And this is a once discount. I'm not going to do it again. It's just now, all right? Because we're celebrating. I've just made some money on Virgin Orbit and Photronics. If you want to go, it's been $50, but right now it is $40 or £40 in the chat right now. Sam's going to be there as our entertainer. We've also got Tom, DJ, Alicia, Paddy, myself, Leah, Tom, Sam, Real Ray, and others are coming from all over the world. If you want to get a ticket for the beach party and the evening party, it's $40 or £40. It's a one-time deal. It's $50 normally, but because my analytics ends midnight tonight, August 31st, I'm trying to make a record today. I'm giving the opportunity for you to get a 25% discount. Anyway, if you want to go for it, if you can get to Cornwall, England on the 15th of October, then just do a super chat for $40 or £40 between now and the end of this show. All right, let's go back to Photronics is going up today. I bought it on a dip, and also Rio Tinto. I want Rio Tinto to go down because I want it to go I want it to go down because the dividends will pay out soon, $109 of dividends, which will go in, and we want the price to go down. And then when everybody reinvests, it will go up again. ISND21, I live near it. Well, I'm in Dallas, Texas, ISND91, and I'm going to be there on the 15th of October making a movie. And all the day traders from around the world are joining me. And you can be there as well if you wish to come to a party with entertainment. We've got a hotel. We've got everything lined up for you. It's a once deal of £40 and $40 in the super chat if you want to come. Sam is here. How is the Rocket Man? I am very, very well. Great to have you here, Sam. Pity I can't make it in October. I will be a manager for 3 weeks while my manager is in Mexico on holiday. It is a shame. We would have loved you to have been there. But if you do give us a super chat today, you can be sent a link to be involved via a live link up as well. If you want to be involved in and you want to just support it, if you can't be there, just make a donation in the super chat and you'll be sent a link and you can actually be with us at the party. Also at the beach, we'll send you a live link up. All right? Okay. In fact, you don't have to send a super chat. I beg your pardon. I quote myself wrong there. That will be available to all the members. All the members. I was just about to mention the party link. The party link. What party link? Link. Oh yes, thank you. I'm back. Okay, Seb Dean. Did you see why? Did you see what I mean with the stock? It's valued at between $12 and $16. We've got the good news. We've got the flight set up. Today, I think that Virgin Orbit has been oversold. S&P is coming up as well. Virgin Galactic is coming up as well. Look at this. And Virgin Orbit. And guess what? You doubled up, Seb Dean. Seb Dean, you just doubled up your position. Congratulations. I cannot believe that I am now literally $22 out of the money on Virgin Orbit. I'm so excited. I've been up on the stock, but only with 400 shares. I have 800 shares now. Very, very good for the members only video. But as normal, you beat me. Absolutely right. I have. Congratulations to you, Seb Dean. Awesome stuff. Right, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. What a great opportunity. No matter how bad markets get, there's always an opportunity everywhere. In the worst situations, you know, more millionaires and billionaires are created in wartime. People make friends during wars. You remember a few months ago when I was singing to people in Ukraine from Kiev. I made friends. People now from Kiev watch the show. There's always opportunities. I have had quite a few people today message me and leave comments below the video with the Church of Logic when he had a really hard time on the show, and we shared the world with his real emotions. I have had some beautiful comments thanking Church for his contribution to the show and what it meant to them and how much support it gave to them and what they learned from it, no matter how tough life can be. And I know, I got divorced many years ago. I lost my mum and dad. They both died. I lost my kids. I lost my house. I lost my business. I've had many disasters in my life, and I always learn from them. And at the time, it hurts. But you know what? You learn from stuff. You take it. There's always something you can get out of every situation right now. The market is actually doing quite well. So I hope you took advantage of the dip on Virgin Orbit. I put the news out. I tried to let everyone know. And there it is. I hope you've all watched the video and help it grow. These market conditions, it won't hold up. I'll wait for the drop again. Not to be negative, you're not negative. That's absolutely correct. They will drop again. But I have lost confidence for the rest of the year. Never lose confidence. Do you know why you don't lose confidence, church? Because you are not investing in the stock market. You are always investing in yourself. Because it's yourself that will buy and sell these companies. Forget the price. It's the companies you are buying. The price is just the ticket on the screen right now. It changes second by second. When you invest in the stock market, you are investing in yourself. You are investing in the fact that you have the mentality to invest in yourself, because rather than spend your money down the pub, you are saying, I want to build a better future. You are setting the mindset of forward planning, optimism. That is good for your health, good for your mind. And if you are, if you are focused and you are positive and you always push forward, you always win. You always win. Even if along the journey you have hits and get knocked down. I know I've lost everything many times in my life, but it's not how strong you can punch. It's how many punches you can take and keep getting up. Remember when I did Tough Mudder with a load of 20-year-old kids? And I was like, 45 at the time? 45, 46, one of the oldest people there. I was one of the very few people who did every single challenge. While I was jumping in the fire, jumping in the river of fire, jumping in the tasers. I can show you all the videos and pictures. I never gave up. The 100 meters of monkey bars with the water hydrants being fired at us. Young 20-year-old kids were falling off. I never fell off. I completed every single one because I never ever give up. You must never give up. You must never ever give up. This is only an investment with yourself. It always has been and always will be. The moment you give up, it all goes to nothing. You can't make money if you're not in the market. Look at this. Here we go. I'll share this with you. I don't know if I've shared this before. Here's me running through 20,000 volts of taser wires. See all the young kids behind me, a lot of 20-year-olds. I was 45 years old, something like that, 45, 46. I don't know. I can't remember now. Running through taser wires. I did it just after my mum died. I don't care how much it hurts. You will never, ever, ever stop me from doing what I decide to do. Never. 100 meters of monkey bars. 100 meters of monkey bars. Young, fit athletes. I'm 45. Would not let go. Never let go. Never give up. Always push forward and you'll always win. You'll always win. Do you want to see me get over this over here? Do you want to see me get over this? There you go.
Wait for it, Batman.
I'll try again. I'll get over it this time.
Yeah, like you do in Wales. Throw your legs up. Up.
Go on, Martyn!
Yes, get in.
I bet she's got punky.
Come on, Martyn!
All right, guys. Who's up next? Yo, Mark.
Well, there you go. I got over the wall. Never, ever give up. Never, ever accept defeat. And that is the heart of a lion. That is what life is all about. And look at that today, Virgin Orbit. Oh my gosh. Get in. Seb Dean, you just bought it. Did you just buy, what price did you get in Virgin Orbit? What price? Are you selling the shares you bought today and making money? Are you taking it out? Let's have a look. These market conditions won't hold up. I know. That's okay. You're not being negative at all. El Salvador will invest 200 million infrastructure improvements in Bitcoin. 344. There you go. Nothing wrong with that. Don't be concerned. It went to 329. Not important. It's at 351. Now, what you could do, and nothing wrong with that, your position, if you've stretched yourself, and remember, it's your mindset. It's your mindset that you're investing in, not the stock. You're investing in the company, but you're investing in yourself. Do you feel comfortable now if it goes down to $3 to tomorrow? How will you feel? What does that do to you? Do you need to take a profit? Do you need to clear your position? Always look on the bright side of life. Truth. Wow, yes. 344. Great. Seb Dean, no, I'm holding for now, but need to trim some back off a few stocks. I'm too stretched at the moment. So am I, mate. So am I. But you know what? I don't want to say that because that would be irresponsible. You can't stretch yourself too much. Of course you can. How strong is your mind, though? How resilient are you? Because you know what? You know what? At some point, the markets are going to recover. And if you keep getting these prices... Now, what I would do, and what I am doing, is I've now got an average of 349. Right? I bought at 329 today. No matter how excited I get, no matter how much news is around Virgin Orbit, I am not going to buy it again unless it goes below my minimum price. I try not to let my emotions take over. You know, it's hard, isn't it? It's hard. Tell yourself, I will not pay any more for this stock than my lowest price, and stick to it. And absolutely stick to it. It doesn't matter what the news is. You've got Virgin Orbit now under your belt. You've got it at a low price, one of the lowest prices ever. Hold it or sell it. That's up to you. But refuse to pay more. Photronics, I know, church. Who bought Photronics yesterday? We brought this to you and everybody jumped on it. I know, we put a video out about it. It's going pretty well. Right, not everyone's liked the video. I've got a lot of people who haven't liked the video. Subscribing, but I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. You're all waiting for the song, right? You're all waiting for the song. Okay, here it comes. Smash the like. Me, I'm almost even on it. Yes. So now you can get your money out if you wanted to. It's not what I'm doing, but, you know, don't follow me. Right, here we go. Smash the like button. Let's make some money. Where's Logan Pizza? I know. He was the guy who pointed us to it. 22 likes, that'll do. 22 likes. Thank you very much. Awesome stuff. Where's Logan Pizza? Right, now then. Another thing as well is the reason why this is so hard for a lot of us here is because we are on the pulse. We are watching every movement of every stock. If you looked at your stocks once a month, you wouldn't feel this as much pain. Of course, you'd miss out. You'd miss out. If you looked at your stocks once a month, you wouldn't have known about that. And this is where being active in the market is better. Even though you might go, all right, I can't do all this, like Church said. All right, I'm done. I'm out of this. You've got to be disciplined and keep your eye on the ball. Because if you set a stop limit, a buy order. My buy order actually wasn't physically in, but I told you I'd buy at 325. If I set an order at 325, it wouldn't have gone through. Nothing would have happened. It wouldn't have gone through. So you have to be aware of what's going on and watch it. Because at 329, that was close enough, right? That's where buy orders are okay, but only if you really don't mind if you never get the stock again. I mean, you know, you've really got to, believe, do I want to buy this stock or not? You know, because 329, 325, you're not going to miss it out, are you? If you went to see a car and someone was selling you a car and it's worth 10 grand and he said, I'll tell you what, I'll let you do a special deal. You can have it for 5 grand. And, you go, no, my buy order is 4,955. And he said, you can have it for 5 grand. No, well, my buy order is 4,955. And you miss out. You've just lost the car you wanted for half price. You do need to manually keep your eye on it. And buy orders are all great and all well and good, but you can miss out on opportunities. And, who knows? When Virgin Orbit start flying more regularly, and they will, and this stock goes to $12, $16, you're never going to see $3 again. So do you really care? It was $3.29, $3.30, $3.40, $3.50, $5. Of course you won't care. Be irrelevant at that point. Anyway, really struggling with what to do with a rival. Got too much in it for my liking, but don't want to sell it at this loss. Let's talk about it. Just bought another 1,000 Virgin Orbit today to add to my 1,500 bought yesterday. Pete Barker. Great. Did you see my video, Pete? Have you just come in or have you missed all that? I brought out a breaking news story today. I bought it at 3:29 today, 3:30 down here. I bought it right at the bottom here this morning. And this afternoon, I doubled my position. I haven't got a big a position as you, but you know, I can't afford that. But there we go. Caden, how are you this afternoon? That's why you always stay in the market. You always keep your finger on the pulse. Never, ever give up. All right. We need a very, very quick commercial break. Very, very quick. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Day trader of the day coming up in a couple of seconds as well. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds. Okay, there we go. And we're back. Let's look at our overall portfolio. Now, our overall portfolio isn't great. It's all right. We're green today. We said we might make green today. Well, we are green, but it's okay. But we're coming up to Friday. There's going to be sell-off Friday again. But, you know, what you need to do is get yourself in a position where all your stocks, all your assets, all your investments are at the lowest prices. It's all about building the foundations. All the time, build the foundations, not the roof, all the tinsel, all the fluff or all the nonsense, all the noise and all the rah-rah, the foundations. And the foundations are getting the prices down and down and down, no matter what happens. It's like going back in time. I've got a friend who owns millions of shares of Amazon. He bought Amazon when it first came out for dollars, nothing. He is never, ever, ever going to be out of the money. Never. It'll go up 20%, down 30%, left and right, ins and out, but he's up thousands of percent. He's not bothered, not concerned at all. And that's it. And this is where Lucid is now. This is where Next Extra Energy is right now. All these new companies, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Tesla, all these companies. Oh my gosh. Virgin Orbit, 351. Look at this. Breaking news. Virgin Orbit, 351. Oh my God. I'm up 0.68. It's holding my portfolio up actually. It's good. 4% of my portfolio. And that is a little bit heavy weighted. 4% Virgin Orbit. 2.5%, 3%. I've got 1% there to trim off. I could easily, happily sell some. I don't need that amount of money in that one sector. But having said that, I think I'll hold it for now. And there is very much an opportunity that this stock will do $12. Do you have eToro profile? I do have eToro profile, but I don't use it, so there's no point following me there. ISND91. What a name that is. Right, I can give you lots of benefits. You're over on Twitch right now. If you subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime, and it's absolutely free, every month, the first Friday of the month, so this Friday coming, I do a free cash draw for my subscribers on Twitch. I have 12 subscribers, and 2 of those don't count because they're me and my wife. So only 10 subscribers. So you have 1 in 10 chance. I give the money back I make on subscribers. I give away a cash prize. It's absolutely free. Amazon Prime /gaming. I do it every single month. So you might as well set up recurring membership. It costs you nothing. It's free, and you can be in a cash prize draw every single month. Here on the Day Trade on the YouTube channel, because that's where we are now as well, I give away a cash prize every Friday, every single Friday. So if you're listening in on YouTube or TikTok right now, here's the screen coming up for Twitch. Remember, all my links are on the All Links button below this video. You know the link, it's always there. There is the Twitch. If you want to follow me on Discord, it's free. You can follow me on Discord. But if you want all the exclusive perks and benefits, be able to call in live to the show, all the other benefits, have your own channel and so on, you need to be a YouTube member. There's the invitation for Discord, and here is the invitation to become a YouTube member, and that's when you get all the perks and all the benefits. And when we get 100 members here on YouTube, we're going to go with many live exclusive member only content. We've just got a few members to go and we'll be there. So much more perks and benefits coming to our members than ever before. Peter Maycock, good afternoon to you. Let's, Seb Dean was asking about Arrival, and you should ask about Arrival, and you should be concerned. Arrival needed some good news this month. It hasn't yet come. Arrival, realistically could go bust. I like what Arrival are doing. I think Arrival are great. I believe in the company. I've bought shares in the company. I doubled up. When it went down, I've got 500 shares. But the share price is verging on the point of going too low. They won't be able to raise funds. They're running out of money. Supply chains are getting worse. Inflation's getting worse. We need the company more than ever. ISDN has just subscribed to me. Fantastic. You will be in the draw every month for free. Make sure that you set reoccurring, and you might as well. And if you want to be in our weekly draw, let me give you the invitation to join for that as well. That's free as well. Every Friday, I give away the money I make in my show. Here is the email weekly newsletter. Includes all my stock tips and lots of benefits. Here is the weekly newsletter. Now, before you click on it, let me give you the rules. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page here. You will see this here. You put your email in, nothing more. I never use your email, never give it to anyone. It's a secure server. But the verification email you get on return will go into your junk box because it contains the word free cash prize draw. There is the email in the chat you are looking for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Verify your email. And every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, the newsletter goes out with my competition videos, and then we do the draw on Friday. So not tomorrow, but the day after on Friday. It's free, the cash prize giveaway every Friday. And this Friday, because it's the first Friday of the month, it's Twitch as well. So thank you very much for following me over there on Twitch and subscribing and all that great stuff. I'm trying to become partner with 75 viewers, and I'm excited about that. So back to Arrival. Arrival is great. Why don't I buy more? Why don't I buy more? Because at the moment I could lose my $500. No one has experienced yet, or at least I haven't experienced on this show, any of my stocks going bankrupt. And in a climate like this, that's ridiculous. There's got to be a lot of... I have about 60 companies that I invest in. Something like that, maybe 50. I'm not sure exactly. About 50, 60. And in this climate, at least 5 of those have got to go bankrupt. Having said that, the companies that I am with, nearly all of them have no chance of going bankrupt. But Arrival, I'm sad to say, isn't one of them. It certainly could go bankrupt. So I don't want to throw any money at it, because even though it's cheap, it's now too cheap. And I know, as a promoter, when I did my theatre shows, when I charged $40, $50 a ticket, I sold tickets easy. It was a quality show at a quality price. When I gave away the tickets on the beach for promotion, nobody would buy the tickets. Nobody would take a free ticket. It was a free deal, but people thought it was rubbish. It couldn't be worth anything because it was cheap. All right? Virgin Orbit, what a great day. You've had the opportunity today. That book doesn't have payload information. Test Gods, Virgin Galactic and the Making of a Modern Astronaut by Nicholas Schmid. I think VS Unity has a front compartment to carry satellites. Really? That's very interesting. The book doesn't have payload information. Test the Gods, Virgin Galactic, and the Making of a Modern Astronaut by Nicholas Schmidl. I think VS Unity has a frontal compartment to carry satellites. Is that right? That's very interesting, Dennis. Very, very interesting. Can you send that information, Dennis? You're not a member of the channel. I want you to go onto Discord and share that, and I'd make a video on that information. So I messaged the angry astronaut. What do you mean you messaged the angry astronaut? Dennis, consider being a member. You'll notice like 98% now of everyone who watches is. I'd love you to be a member, and then I can give you Discord where you can share these very valuable links. I would love to make a film on that. I'd love to get that information, but I can't get the link from you on here. But I can in Discord. Virgin Orbit, look at it, guys. Up and up and up. My overall portfolio. I've got a request here from one of our members to look at a stock. I will do it now. I will look at it. My portfolio is now up 0.25%. And that is mainly because of Virgin Orbit. This is why a diverse portfolio is essential. You know, one of our hardest negative members, Market Profit, has often said he's surprised how robust and how much my portfolio is staying up. Remember, number one on day trading school, it's not about individual stocks. They're just prices. The company is the company. The price is irrelevant. But all of your prices add up to your portfolio balance. It's your portfolio balance that keeps you out of margin or above a certain number where you get liquidated or whatever it might be. It's your overall portfolio. That's everything. If you've got one stock that is 1,000% up and everything else is 99 million% down, I'm just making up numbers, right? Doesn't matter. You'll still be okay. I mean, it's not what you want. You want all your stocks to do well. But the point I'm making is, a balanced portfolio is essential to your mental well-being. Richard Branson plans 17 Virgin rocket launches from Cornwall by 2030. Virgin Orbit targets first nuclear blast-off September 29. Pete Barker, I'm going to Cornwall. I'm going to be there at the space station on the 15th of October. And in the next 15 minutes, it's a one-off opportunity. You can be with me on the beach, making of the movie, or virtually via cameras, and at the party in the evening for £40 or $40 in the super chat. I'm doing it at a 25% discount because I'm trying to end today on August the 31st and beat my analytic record. So I'm discounting it. Tomorrow it's back to £50 and $50 again. All right? Anyway, 15th of October in Cornwall. If you want to be there, there you go. Right. Back to Caden Youngquist. What you think about Cine L? I know nothing about it. If you are a member of my channel, I can make videos for you. This is what I did for Virgin Orbit and what I did for Photronics for Logan Pizza. If you're a member of my channel and you believe in a stock, I will make a video. I will buy in the stock, promote the stock, and the stock price will go up. It's what we do here, all right? But it's a members only perk. Caden Youngquist says, can I look at ATXG? ATXG. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to give you my YouTube channel because I know you're on Twitch right now, but you might want to come in to YouTube. You might want to. You might prefer it where you are on Discord. Anyway, there is the YouTube channel right now. There you go. If you want to come and join us, please do. Right, ATXG. ATXG. Let's have a little look. ATXG. Adantix Group. Not heard of it. Bring my drone. Bring your drone. Oh, I might do that. That's a good idea. Okay. Oh, God. Who's this by? Is this Chinese? What is this? Where's it? Oh, where's this from? Hong Zida. Where's it based? Oh, my gosh. This doesn't look real. What is this? Group engages in supply chain management consulting services. It operates as manufacturing logistics services. Subsidizing. Oh, China. China. All right. Yeah. All right. Here's China again. I cannot believe the Chinese government and the Chinese people think that the rest of the world are so flipping stupid. I mean, what is going on here? Honest to God. Right. Shall we all buy it? Because we're all going to be millionaires. Oh, my God. All right. I've given it enough attention. Thank you, Caden. Very good entertainment. See you later. Bye-bye. Absolutely bloody ridiculous. Absolutely bloody ridiculous. Play some puts. Do what you want. Shove it down the toilet. I don't really care, but I'm not getting involved in it. You can laugh. You did that on purpose. You did it on purpose. You thought, right, I know what to do. I'm going to get a reaction out of him. I'm going to promote something he's going to react to. Well done. I like stuff like that. That's entertaining. But that is all it is. Entertaining. Right. I have to say, if somebody asks me in the future, what was one of your best investments? I have to say, Virgin Orbit. I had no idea this was going to pop up today like this. No idea whatsoever. None whatsoever. All I knew was the price was oversold. So, and don't get me wrong, it could go all the way back down again. But I've got such a low price, I could be safe, right? So, I mean, I could sell it all now and get my money out, right? Couldn't I? I'm at $43. I've never sold any. I've just bought it at a lower price. I could sell it, $43 up, get $3,000 out, buy it again tomorrow. Nah. Why bother? In the first year, I'll pay 20% on that $40, and I didn't invest $3,000 to make $43 either. My wife is my best investment. Remember, I've always said, your best investment is not your stocks and shares, it's yourself or your partner, and I agree with that as well. My best investment is my wife, but I wouldn't want to use that word though. She might bash me across the head. Anyway, there we go. We've got a few minutes to go before day trader of the day. Our overall market is looking pretty nice today. We're up nearly 1% now, and a lot of that is Virgin Orbit, I have to say. That is playing a big part of my portfolio right now. Let's have a closer look. Nuki, wait for us. I should get married now then. Yeah, you should. And you know who can do the entertainment for you? Tom can be your DJ. I can be the real entertainment, in between the DJ. And Sam can be the Elton John tribute artist, and he can be the compere and the MC, and he can even marry you as well. He'll probably get initiated or whatever the word is. Anyway, over there on TikTok, good morning. What's the best brokerage to trade on? Come and join us on YouTube. Let me show you. The links in the profile, much easier. This is Robinhood if you're in the US. I use this. Off I go. Well, where you going then? Where you going? Hi, Bill. How about you, my friend? Churchill, don't marry her if she's American. Divorce rates are too high here in the US. Don't worry about that. What do you mean? I've been married 5 years. A bit late for that, mate. Oh, we're getting a pump. Now, this is a bit of a pump into the break, into the close. 10 minutes ago, we're getting a rise across the board right now. Photronics. Still down out the money. Rio Tinto. I don't mind if it stays down for the dividends. Nextra. Read all about it. Virgin Galactic. Just down 2% now. Virgin Orbit. My God. That's a 7% swing I've had today. That's pretty good. Pretty good. We got a guest here, Mike. Someone just said I'm from somewhere. What do they say? Greetings from Cam Chakta. Oh, we're not doing that again, are we? Places that nobody actually is, just to confuse the day trader, just to confuse me. Right. Just for that, I'm going to do a, what do you call it? Tilray is still decent, but possibly. Hang on. Tilray. Let's have a quick look. Tilray up 1.47. Yeah, I'm up on it again. Tilray is still a decent buy. Yes, I agree. Dexter Sickles, Tilray is a buy. 100%. I'm only up 1% on it, and I would buy it at this price. It's going to 10x. Yes, Tilray is a buy. Everybody buy it. Everybody buy it, and my shares will go up. I agree. And I won't sell it when it goes up, so I'm not going to pump and dump it, as some people accuse me of, which is ridiculous. I've never done such a thing in my entire life. But there you go. Tilray is looking good. Quick commercial break. Very excited. I'm up 12% on Tilray. Well, you got a very good price then. Go and rub it in or whatever. Okay, I'll buy $1,000 of work. Okay, I'll buy $1,000 of what? Work? What's that? What was that? Is that a ticker symbol or what? All right, here we go. So, quick commercial break. Be right back in 10 seconds. There we go. Okay, I'll buy 1,000. Oh, typo. I'll buy 1,000 then. What of? What, Tilray brands? Yeah, Tilray brands. Buy it. Everyone buy it. Roll up, get your Tilray. Roll up, get your Tilray, get your Tilray. We're up now 0.6. We're getting a nice little bounce into the close. What's all that about? I have no idea. Oh, Kamchatka. All right, Bill. Thank you very much for that geography lesson. That's where Chamkakta is, or whatever it is. I have no idea what it is. Probably just made it up. I wouldn't know, right? Just making words up. You're just making words up. Right. Okay. We've got day trader of the day in 9 minutes. But right now, though, I'm going to go on strike because I reckon there's 2 more likes in this. I reckon there's 2 more likes. I want to get 30. What is Tilray president sales pitch for this of the stock, and I'll buy? Hang on a minute. What's he saying here? What is Tilray's present sales pitch of the stock, and I'll buy? All right. Should I give it? Here we go. I'm now working for Tilray. Right. I'm now working for Tilray Brands. This is what I think. The cannabis doesn't interest me. I'm not a smoker, don't smoke tobacco, I never smoke cannabis, not interested, but I do like making money. And I know that Tilray Brands is the most effective, most profitable, they have the best margins of all the cannabis companies around the world. It is in place, it has plenty of money on hand, it's got no issues with raising money, it's got plenty of money in the future, it's buying up smaller cannabis companies, it's applying for approval in the US. When it gets it, it'll 10x because it's already available in Canada. It's now getting approval in Germany and in Europe. It's only a matter of time before it gets approval in the US. At this price, it's set to 10x, no question about it. So that's my sales pitch. That's all I wish to say on it right now. But there you go. Anyway, do you get in trouble from using a VPN when trading? Do you get in trouble from using a VPN when trading? No, who cares less? I don't use a VPN. What's the point? Well, I don't need to use a VPN. Why would you get in trouble? No one cares less where you live. If you use a VPN, so what? No one cares less. That would have no effect on your, at the end of the day, if you're trying to use a US like Robinhood brokerage in the UK and think, oh, hang on a minute, I'll use a VPN. Hold up. That isn't going to work. You need an American social security number and an American address, an American bank account. So good luck with that. If you want a VPN using any brokerage, crack on. You can say you're from Mars. No one cares where you come from. But you can't set up the brokerage if you don't have a green card or a citizenship or a social security number in the US as any country. You've got to pay your taxes. You've got to be legal. So good luck if that's what your intentions are. ISDN. Let's welcome ISDN. This guy just became a subscriber over there on Twitch for free using his Amazon Prime. So, where are you from? Would everybody please welcome our special guest, ISDN. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. Here is my TV studio. Here it is. This is where we do our fundraisers. We've got one on Friday for Zach. We're going to raise Zach $1 million on Friday. Very excited. I'm going to do live music in the show. Hello. And if you make a request, I'll do your song for you. Tilray Brands. Tilray Brands is going. Look at this right now. just as I said it, Tilray Brands is taking off again. Very, very nice. Virgin Orbit, the overall portfolio has moved up now. We're up 0.37. Not massive, but you know what? I'm very happy with this today. I've managed to turn a few stocks around. Anyway, ISND, welcome to the party. Please put your cities and countries in. I'm from the UK in Cornwall, and Nitz Ferreld, I made it. We had some breaking news today. I hope you didn't miss it. I hope you watched the video earlier. Virgin Orbit, major opportunity. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from Cornwall. Would you please put your cities and countries in? And everybody, please welcome ISND. Put your cities and countries in. Indianapolis, hello, everyone saying I agree about the music. Closing bell picks. Virgin Orbit. Good catch on Virgin Orbit this morning. I'm also in today. Stu Walk, I'm from Cornwall, 15 minutes from Virgin Airport. Yes, I know. Me too. I live near Truro, not very far away. So, ISND, why don't you make friends with the family and join us in Cornwall when we make the Virgin Orbit movie on the 15th of October. We've got traders from all over the world. Welcome from Stu in Cornwall. Stu Walk is also from Cornwall. So, you've got 4 minutes left to do a £40 or $40 super chat. Because it's the end of the month, I am doing a special one-time deal. It's £50 or $50 for the party in Cornwall on the 15th of October. If you do $40 or £40, you can be there. We're meeting on the beach, and we also have a party in the evening with a DJ, entertainment. We have a discount at the hotel if you want to stay overnight. Very, very exciting. You're going to be involved in the making of the movie as well. We've got Alicia and Patricia from Italy coming. Myself and Leah were coming from Dallas, Texas. Tom, Sam, Real Ray from the north of England. Pay for my flight and I'll be there, says Arnold Palmer. I thought you were making a lot of money, Arnold. I thought you were making a lot of money. Welcome from Russia. Okay. I am done with the countries and the places and the names. All right, okay. Let's go. And we've just got another person signed up for the newsletter for the cash giveaway on Friday. Thank you very much indeed. Enter the draw. Make sure that you are in. And you want to make sure that you're in on the draw for Friday. I'm in college. I'm still broke. Why do you keep saying I'm going to be margin called then? What's all that about then? Anyway, let's see if today we got. Let's see if we got any more subscribers during the show. You ready? Here it comes. 4699. 4,700. There we go. I'm not broke, but I'm not broke, you know. I'm not broke, but I'm not broke, you know. That makes no sense at all. Arnold Palmer, you make no sense. What's all that about? Anyway, I got a funny smell in here today. Something sweet. I think my wife's cooking something sweet somewhere. It's like it smells like candy floss. I'm not broke, but I'm broke, you know, he says. I don't get it. Buy Tesla. We're already in Tesla. I've already got Tesla. Very, very happy with my Tesla position. Congratulations, the day trader. Thank you so much indeed. You've got 1 minute to go before the bell goes. If you want to get the 25% discount for the party in Cornwall in England, $40 or £40 in the super chat. Use your gain to pay for my flight. Well, I could do that, or I could reinvest it to make even more money, and then I can build my channel up and give more money away to my members. I choose that option. But thank you for the option. Thank you for the option. The S&P 500 is falling down. You are so funny, Arnold. He is, isn't he? He's a right old character, isn't he? HKD is up 14%. Okay. Here's this joke stock. Here's my joke stock. HKD. The other Chinese manipulative, lying, scrupulous, ridiculous stock. HKD. It's gone up. Remember I bought it for $110 just to prove how ridiculous it all was? Well, it's going up. Surprise, surprise. Everyone is daft. Everyone is stupid in China for some bizarre reason. Let's ring the bell. Why anyone would do this, I've no idea. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Let's ring the bell. And we're into the closing hours now. Here we go. The bell is now gone. AMTD, another ridiculous Chinese stock. And as you can see, for a laugh, I bought £10 worth. And as you can see, I'm down to 60 cents. Just to show you how stupidly ridiculous it is. But you never know, when it goes all the way back up to $1 million again, I'll get out and get my $10 back. Daft, right? There you go. Oh, God. I don't know how they get away with it. They should all be in prison. Anyway. Okay. I really can smell some sweet food. It smells like candy floss in here. I don't know what's going on. It's very strange. Anyway, let's go through the markets and see what's going on. Rio Tinto is flat in the after hours. Photronics is up in the after hours. Virgin Orbit is going up in the after hours. Next Extra is flat right now. The Vanguard VS VU S&P 500. S&P 500 is a discount now. Down 1% on VU is a big drop. That is a big drop. So an opportunity to buy more VU right now. But I won't do it just yet. Virgin Galactic is down in the after hours. I'm down 3%. Virgin Orbit is going up again in the after hours. Very nice indeed. Tesla is going up in the after hours. And let's have a look. Rivian is moving up in the after hours as well. Lucid, Polestar had a little bit of an improvement today, but so far out of the money, it's ridiculous. Arrival, $1.10. If it goes below $1, guys, I think that's the end of it. Amazon is up 0.02. Sim Kumar Katuri says, buy silver. Hello. Come on into the friendliest family on YouTube. Start by saying, hello, everybody. I'm Sim. I'm from here. And we'll all welcome you in. We've got a guest here. Just come on in. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. I'm from Dallas, Texas, even though I'm originally from Cornwall. Welcome to you. Lovely to have you here. We go live 10 hours a day. We're always here helping support people. And Siam, it's wonderful to have you here. There you go. You're getting welcomes from everybody now. Here come the members. Look, most friendliest YouTubers in the world. Positive energy, always winning, always making money, always tell the truth, always support people. Vodafone is looking tasty. Vodafone. I wouldn't buy Vodafone, you know. I wouldn't buy Vodafone. I'd wait for Starlink. I think any cellular network is not going to compete with Starlink. Johnson Johnson. A bargain right now. I can't buy it. I've got no more money left. Google. Microsoft. Meta. SoFi up 0.04. IonQ is flat right now. PayPal up in the after hours very slightly. Rolls-Royce. Oh my gosh. Look at this again. It's doing this once a day, algo barcoding, unreal, and then going sideways. Look at that for a really crazy chart. Walmart down in the after hours, but I'm up 8.5%. Anyway, Target is flat right now. Tesco is flat in the after hours, down today if you want a bit of a bargain. Canoe had a good day today. Canoe, I'm still down though, 11%. No real money in there. On today, kind of recovered a little bit, but I'm up 32%. I'm not going anywhere. Tilray Brands is still going up in the after hours, looking very nice indeed. Ginkgo Bioworks, looking all right. Enphase Energy, up 60%. I could sell it all, a decent profit. That's pretty good, right? One of my best returns. Bitcoin up 0.6 today. Ping with Starlink is a problem, but fill in for dead zones across all mobile platforms is interesting. I wonder if it will get better. I wonder if it will ever replace wired internet. What do you think? You think it's possible? I can't see that. Oh no, with technology. I have no ping problem. Stu Wok has no ping problem. There you go. Stu Woke has no ping problem. One of our members here. It's better, in fact. There you go. I wondered about that. Have you actually got it, have you? That's interesting. Share your thoughts. Share your thoughts. I'd like to know what you think. I'd like someone to call in who actually has Virgin Orbit. Sorry, who actually, I beg your pardon, who actually has Starlink. Stu Wok does. So, let me open up the green room. If anybody wants to call in right now. Yes, since beta. SND, we've got another guest here. We've had quite a few people on Discord join us here. Look, these people here have joined us today. You can't access all the public channels and you can't call in. You need to be a YouTube member. We do that to stop scammers and bots and not very nice people, should we put it that way. Right, let me open up the broadcast lounge and you can see that if you are a YouTube member. You can't see it if you're a regular folk. There you go, in broadcast. If Stu Wok would like to call in, video or just using audio, or anybody else for that matter, I would love your thoughts. If you've got a question to ask, or you just want to say hello to anybody, or you want to share your thoughts on Starlink, I would like you to call in. All right. You're probably a Brit to not... I don't understand that, Arnold, what that means. You would like that as well. The few friends I have say it works for calls and texts, but streaming is not an option. Oh, you can't stream. Okay, streaming is not an option right now. Okay. What does Stu Wok say about that? Can he stream? So there you go. Right, we've come to the end of the show. So, it's that point in the show where we do Day Trader of the Day. So, Day Trader of the Day right now. Let's have a quick look across the board of my channel and see. Thank you ever so much, everybody that watched our new videos today from the Church of Logic. If you didn't watch our videos today, starring the Church of Logic, one of our members, here is the videos this morning. They went out this morning before the show started. If you didn't get a chance to have a look, on the uploads page of the channel, you will see the videos here. You might want to go and hang on, zoom in. Why wouldn't it zoom in? There you go. You might want to go and check out these 3 videos with the Church of Logic. We talked about the USA versus Africa when it comes to football and cars, pain and hurt of a day trader, and he left me a lovely testimony as well. So if you want to go and check that out. Also, if you want to know about Virgin Orbit and the news I shared, there is the video right there. Go and check out. These are the latest videos today that you may or may have not seen. Anyway, time for Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main portfolio. Let's see if we got over 4,700 and held it. 4,700. We're just holding it. In Discord, we've got Stu Wok. We've got a guest today. Stu Wok, for the very first time, is here on Discord. How very cool is that? Let me prepare the screen. Let me prepare. I can't believe it. We've got, for the very first time, we've got Stu Wok on Discord, and I'm going to bring him in. So, first of all my members can have this privilege. If you want to be on the show, you can buy video, or you can just buy audio. The choice is yours. Today, Stu Wok has come in via audio. He's got no camera by the looks of things, but he is on the show. So I'm going to unmute him. And would everybody give a massive welcome? Go in the chat right now and go, welcome Stu Wok, all right? He's calling for the first time. So, Stu Wok, welcome to the Day Trader. You're live on the show. How are you this afternoon?
Hi, Martyn. How are you?
I am very well. Where are you calling from, Stewart?
Bodmin in Cornwall.
Whereabouts?
Bodmin in Cornwall.
Bodmin in Cornwall. See, I live in Truro. See, I got a house in Truro. Bodmin, I love Bodmin. But I've been around Bodmin jail and all the ghosts and all that stuff. I can't believe this.
It's changed now.
Has it? What's going on now?
The jail is completely. They've made it a full-on, very expensive hotel now.
I heard about that.
Bodmin jail.
Hey,
Yeah.
my love and my handsome, I can hear that little bit of Bodmin coming through. That Bodmin massive on the phone. I love it. How are you, my mate?
Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, Starlink. I've had it since a year and a half ago when it was in beta. And it's just got better and better. Yes, right at the beginning, the ping was terrible. I have no problem gaming on it, streaming on it, and sat here with about 300 meg download right now.
300 down. What's the upload speed?
60.
60. That's really good. That's really good. And what do you pay for Starlink?
It was $89.99 in Great British Pound, but he's just given us a discount. Oh, good old Elon.
Good old man.
So it's now down. So it's down to £75 now.
Do you know
so
what?
A bit on the expensive side, but it's very worth it.
Do you know what? I mean, that's great. I am paying $130, which is about £90 for my service, and I've got a good service, but there are areas around me that don't have the speeds you've just talked about and pay more. A 60 upload is very, very nice indeed. Very, very good. That is awesome. Absolutely great. Well, when I retire back to Cornwall, which I plan to do in the next 10 years' time, I will have Starlink on the roof of my house, and I'll be very excited about that. I love it. Stewart, it's
Yeah, and I can't. Go on.
No, sorry, I interrupted you.
No, that's what I was going to say, and I can't wait for the mobile phone system that will come. You know, I would say another 5 years, he'll have a satellite phone, and you just won't need any of these mobile towers anymore.
No, wouldn't it be great? Wouldn't it be absolutely brilliant? Let's hope. We know, actually, that we know we can't buy SpaceX right now. Indirectly, we can invest in SpaceX via other companies, but it is rumoured, and it's pretty strong rumour, that in the next couple of years that we will be able to buy shares of Starlink, and I bet you'll buy shares in it, right? If you have it and love it and use it.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, it was one way of supporting SpaceX as well, getting in on the beta of the Starlink and actually giving you, even you're giving SpaceX some money to do what they need to do. Get these satellites up in the air, get infrastructure going.
Absolutely.
So,
absolutely brilliant. Stewart, it's an absolute honour. Now, you know what I'm going to ask you. We always ask our guests if they want to, when they call in, if they can give me a 15-second or 20-second soundbite that I can use to tell everybody about the channel and why you remember and stuff like that. So if you fancy doing that, I'd love to record you and have that as a new soundbite.
I mean, I can give it a go.
Go on then, mate.
Here on... See, I'm not going to do it. It's going to go wrong.
Don't worry about it. I can edit it and cut it down. Don't worry about that. You start again. Take your time, mate.
Here on Martyn Lucas Day Trading. Great show. Great community. Loving the feels from a local man that is now not local, but soon to be probably local again at some point in his life. Just keep it going. Keep getting rich, or at least watching your money and holding your money and saving it for the rainy day, which will come one day.
Hey, Stewart, I absolutely love that. I'm so chuffed that I've got someone from my home county, Cornwall. I've been there all my life, and I came to America because I was away doing cruise ships, and I met Leah on a cruise ship, and she's from Texas, so we had to, we got married, and my job can be anywhere. At the time, I was entertaining, so I could be anywhere, and Leah, my wife's job is here in America, so that's why I came to America. But I've still got my home in Cornwall, and we're coming home in October 15th of October, we're going to be on the beach in Newquay making the film for Virgin Orbit, and hope we get a chance to see you and meet all the family. But Stuart, thanks for calling in, mate, and sincerely thanks for being a loyal member and a member of our family, because it's the members that keep these live shows going. Do you want to say hello to anybody at all before you go?
Church, I don't think's here. I was just going to say, get well soon, Church. And the rest of the family. Let's try and maybe communicate a little bit more in Discord if we can. That's all I'd say.
Absolutely. And Stuart, are you a rugby man, a Cornwall rugby man, or are you a football man?
Oh, now, because I'm actually an Exeter boy.
Exeter Falcons, right? The Speedway, all that. Football or rugby?
No, the rugby, the Chiefs.
Chiefs, right?
The kings of English rugby.
Hey.
But we've got a new stadium soon.
Right.
Out the back of Truro, so Pirates can start doing something.
Pirate FM,
selling all their best players.
I've seen that when I was last in Cornwall. Went past Trelisk and Trelisk Hospital, which is where my kids were born years ago, and I saw the pitch being built and all the rest of it. That's kind of cool. But Truro is a lovely place. And Church of Logic said, thanks, mate. Great to hear from you. He's in the chat. He heard you and he appreciated that. As we all know, Church has got COVID right now. So bless him. He's not only getting stressed with stocks and shares and losing money and God knows what else, but he's also facing COVID. So he appreciated that. You haven't got much of the accent coming through, Stu, at the moment.
No, that's the problem with being an Exeter boy. You don't get an accent. You don't get a Devon accent. You don't get a.
Is that what it
accent.
is? Is that what it is, mate?
It is. Yeah.
Do you know Totnes? Do you know Totnes?
I know Totnes. Yes, we got some jobs in Totnes.
I went to Totnes School, Kevix, King Edward VI Comprehensive. Oh yeah.
Yep.
There you go. What school do you go to?
Dawlish Community College.
Dawlish,
So
down there with the Black Swans.
Yeah. Yes, that's it.
Booty. Hey, I tell you what, this is great talking to a local boy all the way across the world. It's amazing how we can have this conversation. Like there's no delay time between where you are.
There must be, because I'm using Starlink, and apparently Starlink's not very good.
There you go. There you go, Elon Musk. We've got one of the old boys today calling in from Cornwall in England, and he's using Starlink, and we've got no delay whatsoever. Stu Walk, thanks for being on the show. Love your soundbite. I'm going to use that. Thanks, mate. Call in anytime.
Keep it up. You are gonna rock this internet at some point. Keep it up. I'm going to keep watching and keep supporting.
Hey, mate, I really do appreciate that. I really, really do. Some days it's hard with your stocks and shares, but, this family is great, and I cannot believe the support I get. I know I'm a small channel, but everyone is so loyal. I mean, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the night, everyone's a member. Isn't it amazing? It just feels so great to be part of this. So thank you for you being part of it, mate.
No problem.
There he is. Stu Walk, live on the show, all the way from Bodmin, my handsome, my booty, my lover, all the way from Cornwall, where I'm from. So in case anyone's thinking, did he just say my lover? Yes, Stu Watt knows what I'm talking about. It's not a weird thing. It's what we say in Cornwall. So there's Stu Watt. He's live on the Day Trader. Fantastic. Right. Well, we've come to the end of the show. I'm going to use Stu Watt's little phrase there and use it in the show. But for those of you who want to call in, this is the sort of thing that you can have. You can call in by video or call. This was Church, our most recent one. And this was Church a few days ago.
I have to first say that, your show is amazing. Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the Day Trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very open, packed with loads of information, doesn't feed into the baloney that we hear in the markets every day. Oh, my gosh, we're going to only go up. We're never going to go down. Again, daily on the show, every morning, every afternoon. I make sure I don't miss a beat. The Day Trader Show with Martyn Lucas, everyone.
There he is, the Church of Logic. I nearly cut him off a bit too quick there. I forgot he was still talking at the end. I thought, oh my gosh, I pressed the button too quick. Anyway, we're all just about done. Alicia and Patricia, they're inviting you to the party. They're coming from Italy, and we're getting people say, Stu Walk, you've got to be at the party. Well, He knows where it is. He knows what the deal is. It's £50 or $50 in the super chat. And I did say by the end of the show, if you get him before the end of the show, it's just £40 or $40. And you'll meet us on the beach in Newquay in the afternoon. Then we got the entertainment in the evening. We've got the hotel. That will give you a discount should you wish to stay over. We've also got Tom. Is Tom still here? Is Sam still here? Entertainment. And we've got people from all over the world coming. Piano Dance, JH. I didn't get a super chat this afternoon. I didn't get a super chat. So there is no song this afternoon. I would do a song if I get a $10 super chat, but I haven't got a super chat this afternoon. So I can't do a song. I can't even get up and jiggle about. There's nothing today. But if someone does a super chat, I will do a song. And you've got a minute before we end the show. I think we're just about done. And I'm so chuffed that Stu Watt called in today. That was absolutely brilliant. So there you go. If you want to know if Starlink works, there it is. What he's paying actually is a very reasonable price, considering what it provides. And those speeds are pretty good. 60 upload is very, very good. So nothing wrong with that. A lot of people dream of numbers like that, and 300 down is fine. I mean, I've got a gig here, a gig down, but you know what? You don't need it. It's really, you don't need a gig down. The only reason why a gig down is useful is if in your house you have 30 people all sharing a piece of that gig, and there's 10 people using 100 each, then you can argue. But if you're on your own like me, and I'm the only one using my internet, because Leah has another internet, if you're the only one, you don't need it. What I need more than anything is upload speed. And what Stu Watt was talking about there was exceptional. Really was exceptional. JH has given me a super chat. It looks like we've got a song. What do you want, JH? What do you want to hear? What do you want to hear? What do you want to hear this afternoon? What style of music do you want to hear? Do you want to hear some upbeat stuff? Do you want to hear a bit of Take On Me, Aha? Do you want to hear a bit of Billy Joel, a bit of Elton John? Do you want to hear some Frank Sinatra? Do you want to hear some Pavarotti, some Italian music? You pick, he says. You pick. It looks like we have got a song in the show this afternoon. Awesome stuff. Oh my gosh, what can we do? Right, okay, well, we're going to have some fun. We're going to pump out the smoke, and we're going to have a song at the end of the show. How cool is that? All right, let's have a little rundown. We've got to do Day Trader of the Day first of all, and then we're going to do a song. So if you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. We are going to have a song at the end of the show for a bit of fun today. So let's do, first of all, Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date. Make sure that you click the live button and turn it from grey to red. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Day Trader of the Day, and then a requested song. What do you want to hear? Okay, here we go. All right, here we go. So, Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main portfolio. Are you up or down? I can't believe it. This is how tough the market is right now. Look, I'm down again. Can you believe it? Having done so well on Virgin Orbit, this is why you need a diverse portfolio, because, I'm up $137 today with Virgin Orbit, and that wouldn't have existed if I hadn't bought in. So incredible. Photronics as well, another one of my stocks. What is bringing my portfolio down now, mainly, let's have a quick look, is actually VU. The most stable part of my portfolio, Virgin Galactic isn't great, but the biggest problem I've got is VU right now. It's down today. So there you go. This is why you need growth stocks, not just solid, reliable value, long-term stocks. You need some growth there as well in times like this. I would have been down like a couple of percent if I hadn't have done that, So let's go to your main portfolio and have a quick look. Are you ready? So go to your main portfolio right now. And I'm going to put my score on. I can't believe it. I would have actually been quite down if it wasn't for that. There you go. That's why I bring you these breaking news throughout the day of stocks I think, you know, that I want to own. So, you know, I'm just letting you know about it. It's not financial advice. It's just my opinion. Down 0.48%. Once that appears on the screen, the first person to comment with their score, all right, we will do a song. We will do a song. I'm thinking of something fun to do. Should we have a fun song, right? We need to do a fun song this afternoon. I think we'll do a fun song. Right, here we go. Let's bring in all the scores. Let's put up the timer. Let's do it. Here we go. And our first score is down again, 0.03. I'm not selling, holding strong. Stephen Lewandowski, congratulations. That's pretty flat though, 0.03. You go into the lead, no question about it. Up, Dexter Sickles takes you now. He's up 2.79, up 0.1. I take responsibility for that. Seb Dean, you're up because of me, right? You're up because of me. You're up because of me, the money you've just made on Virgin Orbit. That's a fact, that's a fact, that is. That's a fact, that is. No question. Jason Newman is up 0.09, so Dexter Sickles still holds it. Stu Walk up 1.14 plus, bought in on Orbit, Virgin Orbit. Not Virgin Orbital. The Orbital in London, the M25. Very different thing. But you're up as well. You bought in Orbit as well, up 0.26. I can't believe it. Everyone is up more than me, and they took my tip. What happened there? They either bought more, or everything else they do is better than me anyway. So anyway, it looks like Dexter Sickles up 2.79 could be our winner. Anybody else? Seb Dean says, yeah. Round of applause from Seb Dean. Seb Dean is making money because of me. No question about it. Let's not hang about. William Wallace down 10%. Our heart goes out to you, William. We've all had days like that. I think the lowest I was in one day was 11%. And it's horrible. We get it. We've been there. But if you are down 10% today with stocks you believe in and you love, was you able to buy the 10% discount? Because if you're down 10%, theoretically, you could have bought those stocks. If you'd doubled the amount that you had, you'd be down now 5%. So if you had $100 and you're down at 10% and you bought $100, you'd now be down 5%, just as a general rule of thumb there. Did you do that, or did you just have to swallow the losses today? I don't know your situation. Dexter Sickles up 2.79. So we need a big round of applause for Dexter Sickles. No question about it. Let me put this on the screen. There we go. And thank him for his honest trade, most certainly. Up 0.56 today, says Nitz Ferrolds, right at the end of the show. Remember I said, come, make sure you're live. Click the grey button, the live button. Always make sure you're live. Give him a thumbs up, and here come the sound effects. All right. Do-do-be-do-do, shoo-do-be-do-be-do, wah. Be-do-be-do-be-do-be-do. Shoo-do-be-do-do-be-do-be-do. Wow. Thank you very much indeed for your score there, Dexter Sickles. All right, there we go. Right, it's the end of the song. End of the show. Right, we're going to have some fun now because JH, you all need to say thank you to JH or not, depending on how you see it. JH has just given a song today live on the show. So you can have a song today live on the show. And this is courtesy of JH. So let's end the show and we'll come back and do the credits at the end. But we'll do the credits. We'll do the credits now and then we'll do the song. Shall we do the credits or the song? No, I'll do the song first. Ignore me. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't make my mind up whether I'm doing the song, whether I ain't doing the song. I don't know. Right? So anyway, here we go. Let's go over to the song part of the studio. Everybody on Discord, do you want to come with me? Do you want to come over there to the studio? If you want to come with me, you got to tap the likes and click the share button, and I will take you with me. If I get, there's 9 people now on TikTok. If I get 5 shares, so half of you click the share button right now and tap the likes like that with 2 fingers, I will pick this phone up, take you over there, and I will do my live song. But you've got to click the share button. It's fair, right? If you can't be bothered, you're too lazy, I ain't going to be bothered to pick up the phone and take it over there. All right? So it's up to you if you want to hear the live song. Right. Oh, hello, we're getting some weird stuff going on there. Sorry about that. Strobing and... what do they call that word? There's a word for that. Like the names in Piano Man. It's your... oh, well, do you know... yeah, I know. Melt the credits into the song. Melt the credits into the song. I can't do the credits while I'm singing a bloody song. What I can do is put the names of everybody that comments in the chat. That's what I'll do, right? So I'll do that. So we'll go over to this screen right now, and we'll put everybody's name in that comments, all right? If you comment, I'll put your name in, all right? So there you go. You're on the screen there. There you go. Right, start commenting, and I'll put your name in, all right? So let's go. Let's take everybody now over to the back of the studio, and I'm going to do a song. How many? I'll do 1 song, unless I get another super chat. When the clock runs to 0, that's it. You've had your chips. You've had your chips. All right? So I'll do 1 song, and then see what happens. I'm going to put this hat on. All right, there we go. Let me take TikTok over here. Have we got enough likes yet? Yeah, we need 2 more likes. We need 5 likes on TikTok, otherwise you're going to miss it. You're going to not be in it. We're going to have a beer. We're going to have a sing-song. It's very good, you know. You don't want to miss it. Okay, here we go. Let's turn this mic on. All right. There you go. We're in position. All we got to do now is move that over there like that. See that, look? There you go. Change the lights. Change the lights to there, like that. Okay, there we go. Okay, that'll do, won't it? Is that any good? Okay. Did we get 5 likes? If we didn't get 5 likes, we're going to end it. We haven't quite got 5 likes yet on TikTok. We've only got 3. If I haven't got enough likes, that's it. I'm not going to do it. I refuse. Okay. So what songs am I going to do? I am looking right now. For Nitz's mum. Nitz. Well, it's JH. It's JH's request. It's JH's request. So it's JH who can choose what song we do, unless you give me a super chat. Lucas Big Band. You want some Frank Sinatra? We could do Frank Sinatra if you like. We can do that. I can do all sorts. You know what I can do. All right. So I'm going to start off with this. I'll do 1 song. 1 song. And at the end of this song, if we get a super chat of whatever you like, I'll do another one. Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm going to do My Life. Here it comes. All right. Got a call take you to the West Coast. Now he gives them a stand up routine in LA. Everybody thank JH. Let's see JH come round and round and round. It's because of JH you got this song this afternoon. I don't need you to worry for me, 'cause I'm alright. I don't need you to tell me it's time to come home. I don't care what you say anymore, this is my life. Go ahead with your own life, but leave me alone. I never said you had to offer me a second chance. I never said I was a victim of a circumstance. I still belong. Don't get me wrong. You can speak your mind, but not on my time. I don't need to worry for me, 'cause it's alright, 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 alright. I don't need you to tell me it's time to come home. I don't care what you say anymore, this is my life. Go ahead with your own life, but leave me alone. Hey! I don't care what you say anymore, this is my life. I don't care what you say, just leave me alone. I don't care what you say anymore, this is my show. It's my show, Mike. Go ahead with your own life, but leave me alone. I never said you had to offer me a second chance. I never said I was the victim of a circumstance. I still believe. Don't get me wrong. You can speak your mind, but not on my time. Take it to yourself, it's my life. Hey! Ooh, take it to yourself, it's my life. Whoa, take it to yourself, it's my life. Whoa, take it to yourself, it's my life. Right at the end of the song there, we got another tip for a song. So this is great. So we can do a big song now. We can do a special song. Thank you very much indeed. That was JH was doing the request for that. That was JH's song. But Stephen Lewandowski just came in and gave me a super chat. So we're going to do another one. Let me think. So many big songs. Let me think of one for you. I know. I want to do a big musical song. And I'm going to do... I'm going to do this one. I haven't sung this for a very long time. And I want to do it right now. You ready? This is a special song. Especially for you. I hope you like the big musical songs. Haven't done it for a long time. Here's The Impossible Dream.
to dream.
Oh, hang on a minute. That's the wrong song. That's the wrong song. That is the wrong song. I'm going to change that there because that came in wrong. I told you it's been a long time. Impossible Dream. And I don't know where that came from. Impossible Dream, building this channel and growing it on YouTube and Twitch and TikTok. And thank you so much indeed. I hope you all enjoyed that. But there it is. It's now time to roll the credits. Thank you very much, everyone. Wow, bravo. There we go. Fair play, fella. Easy C says fair play. Thank you very much indeed. So if you ever want a song, you can request a song in the show. And if you give me a super chat, you can clip the video and you can keep it. So you might want a special song for somebody. And people actually pay and employ me to sing them dedicated songs for their family and friends. You can have it for a super chat and then you own the copyright. You can clip it and send it to a friend, a family member. Maybe a friend of yours loves Phantom of the Opera or a big musical song or Bryan Adams or Frank Sinatra, My Way. I can do all those songs and you can have it and you can keep it. But now it's time to roll those credits. So I'll be back again in the morning for the opening bell and another great day here on The Day Trader. So let's go now to our end screen. I just need someone to say, roll those credits. I'm going to go and grab the music. There's the music already playing. Let me go and roll the credits. Somebody say roll the credits and let's see who took part in tonight's show. All right, let me go over here. And the star of the show, Mike Slade, the Restream bot again. Great stuff. Super chats, JH, Stephen Lewowski. Thank you for those super chats. Thank you very much indeed. Bloody Roland, Jason Newman says Roland. Great interpretation, Martin Alicia. You're very welcome. There we go. Who else have we got there? Super chats, JH, Stephen, and Lewandowski. New follower, ISND91. And he became a subscriber as well over there on Twitch. Well, that's it. Did everybody have a good time? Did everybody have a good time on TikTok tonight? Thank you very much for being part of it. What a great day. You know, we've seen some ups, we've seen some downs, but you know what? Overall, we've got through another day. And make sure that you do go and look below this video and look for the video with Church of Logic. He has 3. I would love, and I'll be checking tomorrow, that everybody has left a comment below the video. And please watch it all the way through. There's a 20-second one, a 6-minute one, and a 20-minute one. The 20-minute one is when he pours his heart out, is how he's struggling on the stock market. And he's got COVID right now, so go and watch it, leave a comment to him, tag him in it, and he'll read that and reply back to you. So go and check that out. Make sure you do, and also check out the Virgin Orbit to get yourself some more information. But that's it from me. I'll see you all back in the morning. William Wallace says, yes, Mike, I slayed it. Mother approves. Mother approves. You should have a song especially for your mum. Mother's Day, her birthday. As a member here, Nits, you can have, of course, a birthday song for your mum. Whatever it is you'd like. But that's it. Unchained Melody. I can do Unchained Melody in the voice of the Righteous Brothers. I can. Request it next time and donate it, dedicate it to someone special. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you in the morning.